Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea. First, choose your favorite tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. Next, bring 2 cups of fresh water to a boil. The ideal temperature varies by tea type, so check your tea's recommendations. Once boiling, add your tea and let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. This steeping time ensures a rich, full-bodied flavor for your iced tea. After steeping, carefully remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea to separate the leaves from the liquid. It's important to let the hot tea cool down naturally to room temperature before chilling. This prevents cloudiness. Once cooled, you can add your preferred sweetener. Stir in sugar, honey, or a sugar substitute until it fully dissolves, adjusting to your taste. Now pour your cooled and sweetened tea into a clean pitcher or a large glass container. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator and let it chill for at least 2 hours. This ensures your iced tea is perfectly cold and refreshing. When ready to serve, fill glasses with plenty of ice. Garnish with fresh lemon slices, a sprig of mint, or even some berries for an extra touch. Making iced tea is a fantastic base for creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tea types, from robust black teas to delicate green teas or fragrant herbal infusions. You can also enhance the flavor by adding fruit slices like peaches or oranges, fresh berries, or even a pinch of cinnamon or ginger during the steeping process. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.